case you have been a long time Windows user and now switch to Mac and you're struggling with difference in keyboard shortcut mapping, you found a right blog post. So here we'll try to look into differences in keyboard shortcut or hotkeys mapping. Also, in the second part, I'll address differences in the software development tools such as IntelliJ, how to remap the keyboard mapping there. So let's start it, right? So let's jump into it. So when you have been long time Windows user, you have been using copy paste. And on Windows, you have been using a pinky copy. On Mac, it's a Command C, so it's thumb copy. So in order to change that to pinky copy, we have to remap the keyboard. In order to do that, let's go to the system settings, keyboard, keyboard shortcuts, then in the overlay, modifier keys, and here let's just align the mapping according to the screenshot in the blog post. In case you have using multiple keyboards, one is able to change them on the top right corner. I'll just hit done. So next most annoying issue is switching the programs. On the Mac, it's a different shortcut. So in order to use your beloved Alt-Tab, the simplest solution is to just download a program called Alt-Tab and install it. It just simply works. In case you want to achieve the complete mapping of the keyboard shortcuts, one has to download a tool called Cabinet Elements, and here one is able to import the settings to match the shortcuts. Next to IntelliJ. So in order to align the keyboard mapping, the simplest solution is to download the plugin. So let's go to the settings. Then let's go to plugins. Here one is able to coin plugin called Xwin. I have already installed the plugin, and then you're able to find the plugin under the key map dropdown. So here, the problem with that is that now still the command and the control key are switched, right? So in order to fix that, you can change every shortcut manually like that, or what you can do is you can use my modified configuration, which is available here on a GitHub gist. So here you just have to copy the content and find the similar file on your local file system. In order to do so, you can use that guide or just look for the file name. It could be a bit challenging. And when you have found it, just copy paste the content from the gist and remember to restart your IntelliJ. Yes, so that will fix the most shortcuts that you have. The problems that I faced with that are around the Alt key. So on the Mac, usually the Alt key with something else produces a symbol. It's challenging to use shortcuts with Alt. And there are problems with shortcuts such as Ctrl+H. It just hides the window. It's a global system shortcut, and then quitting the program. Yeah, otherwise it would resolve, I would say, majority of your shortcut challenges on the new, maybe perhaps not the most familiar system, the Mac. So I hope it helped you. In case you have questions, feel free to ask them here on Medium. I will try to look into them ASAP. Thank you.